When we're talking about managing some of the lows in counseling, it's really important to focus on self care. Research indicates that when we are in a position where it's our job to care for others, whenever we have an imbalance where we're caring for others far more than we care for ourselves, we're going to risk experiencing burnout and our own mental health symptoms. So it's very important to find a way to have that balance so that you're caring for yourself as much as you are caring for others. And caring for yourself in this case goes beyond kind of what we think of as self care, goes beyond sort of, I'm going to have a spa day or maybe I'm going on vacation, which are self care and are important. And this goes into nurturing your physical, mental, and emotional self. If you establish a regular self care routine and you're able to create that balance as a counselor with between self care and care for others, it's going to be easier for you to set boundaries with clients and with people in your life. And it's also going to be easier for you to manage your caseload. Now, remember, focusing on your needs is not selfish. It's not selfish to take time for yourself because you need to have that time and you need to have that balance in order to be able to take care of other people. Now, self care can include all kinds of things. It can include engaging in hobbies, and this can be hobbies that you do. For instance, I really like painting, so I do paint landscapes. Or it can be hobbies where you're passively involved. Like I really love watching baseball, so I watch a lot of baseball. Self care includes spending time with loved ones and spending quality time with loved ones. If going to Costco isn't quality time for you, then that doesn't count towards self care. If it is quality time for you with your loved ones, then absolutely, but making sure that it's a quality time with your loved ones. Self care can include creating things, it can include cleaning, and physical exercise is also a very important one. But other parts of self care that are important to consider are things like saying no to things, setting those boundaries and maintaining them, and prioritizing yourself, especially in situations where someone is making demands on you that aren't really a need and maybe a want for them, and it's taking away from your needs. And another very important aspect of self care that often gets overlooked is self compassion. And I have a separate video that I'm making on self compassion. So if you're interested in that, I encourage you to watch that. But regardless of what you choose to do, it's really important to create that self care routine that you engage in so that you can have that balance between caring for others and caring for yourself.